Hey everybody, welcome back to another training video from the Import-Export people. My name is Alex Ryan. Today I'm going to talk about business cards, and this is something that you need when you go over to China, or even just doing transactions in your home country, because having a business card and looking professional definitely does help. And what I recommend when you do get a business card, or even just a company letterhead, or when you send emails to Chinese factories, make sure you have in the signature file the words in English, but also in Chinese. Get it translated, and you can use sites like Fiverr.com, so it's Fiverr.com, and you can actually pay someone $5 to translate your company name phonetically, or even just translate your business, your enterprise name. But definitely, when you do go over there, have at least 200 to 400 business cards made up, especially if you're going to see wholesalers. Have one side in English, okay, and have the other side in a Mandarin or Cantonese, depending on where you're going. And it's very important. It's just something else extra you can add is make red and gold is also good colors of business prosperity, because in China they're very superstitious when it comes to feng shui. But the red and gold seem to attract good luck and prosperity. So actually having a business card in the colors of red and gold definitely do help as well. So just something to keep in mind. And I'll talk to you real soon.